Hi, I'm DJ Rap. Let's talk about arrangement. For those of you who are professional, you know how to do this, but if you're new and you're just figuring out a good way to make great arrangement, the best thing you can do is take a track that's really well produced and put it into your arrangement view like this. And you've got rid of any spaces at the beginning. If you go to your preferences and go to the warp tab, if this is set to on, you probably won't need to do that. There'll be no space at the beginning. Let's just test the theory. That works, it's great. So now you can copy the arrangement and set locators when something interesting happens. And what I'm going to do is go in between this gray area, right click, add locator, and you can move this wherever you want. And so on and so on and repeat. Once you've set these locators, simply delete the track. So you'll go into Live, Preferences, File folder. You can then save the current set as default and you're ready to go.